Let's make a mini house box. One 6-inch piece of paper is for the roof. 4 pieces are for the wall of the house. And 1 piece 3-inch is for the floor. The roof and the walls are made of the same unit. Let's make the floor. White side up, divide in half. Short edge, bring short edge to the short edge. This is it. Let's make a unit. White side up, bring bottom edge to the top edge. Fold and unfold. Bring bottom edge to the center line. Repeat on the other side. Turn it over. Bring short edge to the short edge. Like this. Raw edge to the folded edge. Turn it over. Do the same. This shape is rectangle. Hold folded edge, open, and this fold edge, bring fold edge to the center line. Don't fold back layer. Let the bottom layer flip out, like this. Repeat on the other side. Bring folded edge to the center line. Let the bottom layer flip out. Bring folded edge to the center line. Repeat on the other side. Find the pocket. Insert your finger Open and stretch until squash fold. And squash fold. Repeat on the other side. Find the pocket. Insert your finger and open and squash fold. Turn it over. Fold triangle tip to the center point. And let the back flap open out. Like this. Repeat on the other side. Fold triangle tip to the center point. Let the back flap open out. And mountain fold center line like this. And unfold. Use these creases, mountain fold. Rotate. This is it. Let's assemble these walls. Open this pocket and insert this edge like this until it stops. Put it on the other side. Insert this edge until it stops. Open and insert this edge. Until it stops. Turn it over. Open this pocket and insert this edge like this. And push and keep counterclockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the first flap. like this. Turn it over. Open side. Fold, insert. Mount and fold. Fold and keep. And floor, insert 4 corners inside pocket. This is it. Next, the roof. We need a glue. Stuck here like this. Angle you like. Glue this corner. Stuck like this. Do the same. This is it.